Guys, if you still remember my trip to Tianjin earlier this year, I visited some touristy spots, enjoyed lots of delicious food, and watched 相声, something like crosstalk, which is a traditional Chinese comedic performance that is quite popular there. But recently, if you heard someone's going to Tianjin, they are likely to include watching diving or 跳水 in their itinerary. Lots of 大爷 or elderly men diving in the landmark river 海河 there have put the city in the spotlight. I think people just come and admire their youthful spirit, but such a thing goes so viral that it even attracted He Chong, one of China's Olympic gold medalists in diving, to visit and join in the diving there. Have a look!